Hi there, I'm Kate. Thank you for joining me. And today I'm going to be telling you all about the Cricut Heat Guide. So if you're using Cricut Iron-On or infusible ink, you'll need to use an easy press, like this one here, in order to activate them, so to apply them to your surface. You can apply both Iron-On and infusible ink to all sorts of surfaces. For example, Iron-On can be bonded to fabric, like my t-shirt, or cork, card, or wood. And there's a huge variety of blanks that you can choose from for infusible ink, such as ceramic coasters, like this one, or bags, or t-shirts, all sorts of different things. But the temperature that you require and the length of time that you need to press for varies depending on which material you're using and what you're applying it to. So as you can imagine, there are countless variations and you would never ever be expected to remember all of them. So Cricut has done all of the hard work and they've worked out the exact settings for each combination and created the Cricut Heat Guide for you so that you can check and make perfect projects every time. Let me show you. So if you type Cricut Heat Guide into your browser, then this page here will come up. I should really bookmark it, shouldn't I? And you'll see this wonderful screen appear. Just work your way down, choosing whichever options you are using. So I'm using the Easy Press 2, Everyday Iron-On, and I'm going to attach it for this project to cork because I'm going to make a pot stand for my kitchen. I'm going to also be using the Easy Press mat. So if I click Apply, then the heat guide is going to show me exactly what I need to do to achieve the perfect result. So I need to preheat my cork base for 5 seconds. I need to heat my Easy Press up to 315 or 155 degrees. And I need to hold it on there for 15 seconds, applying light pressure. And then I need to slowly remove the liner when it's cool to the touch. Those quick directions, which appear up here in the box, are also down here in 3 steps with a little bit more detail if you require. So I have pre-cut this abstract design, just a collection of shapes from Design Space, which I'm going to apply onto my pot stand like this. So as instructed, I have preheated my Easy Press to 155 or 315 degrees and I've set it at 15 seconds. I've popped my cork onto my heat mat just to protect everything. And first of all, I'm going to preheat my cork for 5 seconds, like so. Then I'm going to pop my design on the top and I'll just refer back to the heat guide again. So I need to apply light pressure for 15 seconds. I'll pop that on and press go and just gently place my hands on top to apply light pressure. Okay, as soon as it's cool to touch, I can gently peel away my liner, like so. There we go. Doesn't that look great? I think this is going to look very snazzy in my kitchen. Whenever new materials or blanks are brought out, they're always listed on the Cricut Heat Guide. So it's always the place that you should check whenever you're making a project with Iron-On or infusible ink, just to make sure that you have the exact settings correct on your Easy Press. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've picked up lots of hints and tips. And remember, please check our other videos for lots more ideas with your Cricut machine. Thanks so much. Goodbye.